Hey y'all, so after much deliberation, I decided recently to order the all-new Empress Bass Compressor. I was super excited, and in fact, it just showed up an hour or two ago. And I gotta say, first impression, I am disappointed. The first thing I did, I got it plugged into an amp and started to check out the range of controls, the tones, and noticed right away that there is a clicking and popping artifact anytime the audio passes the compression threshold. Here is a sample of the raw bass tone. I'm playing a passive American professional precision bass going in direct with the pedal bypassed. Now, with the pedal engaged, you can hear the clicking noise. If you watch closely, you'll see that the clicks coincide with the engagement of gain reduction on the meter. So you can notice it especially when the compressor comes off. And actually, it does make that noise when the compressor engages as well. And a good way to show that is if you kind of ride the threshold, you can make it buzz. Click, 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 click every time the compressor, the gain reduction circuit comes on and off. Here we are. Super clean. And then clickety clickety. And no matter what you do with the attack and release, any of that stuff doesn't matter. Just makes it more obvious there. The attack is a little less obvious, but. So I did run this through the entire range of controls while I was testing it, and no matter what you do, whether it's the ratio, the tone color, even the mixed knob, gain staging, attack and release times, the side chain, with a passive instrument, you get this clicking noise. Now, I tried it with an active bass, and I found I did not get this. That led me to try it with a bunch of other passive instruments, including a bunch of guitars. I tried single coils, I tried humbuckers, and with any passive instrument, you get this clicking artifact when the pedal disengages and engages the gain reduction circuit. Could you live with it live? Maybe. I personally, for the price range, $250 and it's supposed to be the hot new thing with a lot of competitive pedals on the market, I personally think it's a deal breaker.